am so excited for this video because today I'm sharing one of my top secret lash secrets with you guys. But on top of that, if you stick around to the end of this video, there's an exclusive offer that I think you're gonna really love, so don't miss out. Okay, so my top secret is how I get my clients to come back again and again, and how I make my clients so happy with every lash set that I create, because I create it specifically for them and their unique eye shape, their unique lash needs, their unique natural lash lift and curls, and how I plan that out. Guys, when I started using this technique, this little app, I'm gonna show you all about it. When I started doing this with my clients, I noticed that my clientele grew so fast and that it was so helpful for me within my business, but also to keep records of my clients and what I did on them. So good. Okay, so what I do is anytime any client who I've never seen before reaches out to me, be it Instagram, text message, phone, whatever, I always say to them, I would absolutely love to do your lashes. We're gonna get you in soon, but to save time at consultation and in order for me to design a perfect lash set for you, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and text me, or you can DM, whatever works. Send along a photo of your full face, your close-up of your eye, and if you wanna get really crazy, you can even send a side angle of your eye. Now, there's a trick to this. You don't want to get your client to send you photos with makeup on at all. Full face, no makeup. I know a lot of people are like, ooh, but tell them that you won't send them to anyone. So no makeup, and you're gonna do it in natural lighting so that the photo is crisp and clear and you can see. So here's how that is beneficial. If we have all these photos, then you as the artist can take them and you can dissect their eye shape much better than you can when your client is laying in front of you. There's so much pressure when they're laying there on the bed and you're on a time crunch or whatever. You need to get through and style that set really fast in those situations. But if you can take the photos, like what I've done here, and place them out on an app such as this is actually called Notability, and this is what I use for all of my clients' planning. And if your client sends you all these photos, you can really take a look at the face shape, the eye shape, the natural lash tilt, the natural lash curl, everything. And also, one thing I didn't mention is you want to get them to send you a photo for inspiration as well. What kind of set do they want? Do they want classics? Do they want hybrids, mega, volume, whatever? Take that inspiration photo and then make it come to life for them. So again, this app is called Notability. It is super inexpensive. I use it on my iPad, so I have a little pen, a little iPad pen that you can draw on, but you can do this on any app, free apps, whatever works for you. Anything that you can draw on, be it with your finger, a pencil, even if you just plan it out on a piece of paper, that's totally fine too. But anyhow, what I do then is I zoom in. I'm like, all right, she wants this type of lash set. How am I gonna bring that to life? Because a lot of people will say, oh, I want cat eye, or they'll send you a photo of something, and it is so not realistic for them, but at least you have time to see what is realistic and start planning that set out so you can make them happier than any lash artist they have ever seen has ever made them. And how are you gonna do that without some serious planning? So what I do is I zoom in. First thing I notice, okay, how many layers do they have? If they have lots of layers, I know that I can work with certain styles versus some others. That's a whole different styling section that is in all of our online trainings. If you're interested in styling, we have mini course, we have a full volume mastery course, we have all of the details. If you need links to other videos that we have that are free on our YouTube, Instagram, whatever, let us know in the comments below. We'll definitely send you them, whatever we have for free. And also, because you're watching this video, this isn't the exclusive offer, but if you are interested in checking out one of our mini courses, such as a styling course, I can give you a 15% off code, but you'll have to reach out to us and let us know if that's something you're interested in, and we will make it specific for you. Anyways, So I'm looking at the layers, I'm looking at the natural lash lift, I'm looking at the eye shape. So I take my time and really plan it out. I look at the tilt of the eye. If I use long lengths on the outer corner, how will that look? If the client wants a cat eye, how am I gonna give them a cat eye and still complement their eye shape? Am I gonna droop down the outer corner, so on. So I wanna really, really dive in there and plan it all out. So you can see here, I'll go in and I'll draw certain areas, things that I know I need to figure out. Like I'll say, okay, C curl in certain areas, CC curl in others, jump lengths here because of the downward tilt of the eye and all that stuff. So if we can really have these notes, and then when we go into the appointment, not only do we show that we are skilled and we are organized and creative, but also we show the customer that we actually care about the lash set that they're getting. We're not just going in there and throwing lashes on for the hell of it. We're really planning it out to make sure that we are giving them the best experience and the best lash set. So that is how I plan out every single one of my lash sets. It has helped me immensely within my business, and I really hope it helps you within yours just as much. So now for the exclusive offer. Okay, so as you know, we are trying to grow our YouTube, just like everyone else. The more we grow our YouTube, the more we grow our business, but we need your help. So what we're gonna do is, if you go ahead, share this link on, say, a Facebook forum, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, anywhere. Take a screenshot of that and send it along to us, be it on Facebook, Instagram, email, Lost Artistry Lash, everywhere. Then send us a screenshot of you doing that, and we're gonna give you a 20% off coupon code for your next order with us. So your entire order will be 20% off, and we will make that code specifically for you. So that is our exclusive offer today, and I just wanna personally say thank you so much for all the love and support and for coming on here and checking out our videos. We are forever grateful.